Hi guys, Manny from Gourmet Takeaway. Today we're gonna show you a quick way how to do tabbouleh, Lebanese style. Okay? I usually have everything ready before I start my tabbouleh. So what we're gonna need is burgle, chopped fine red onions, chopped fine tomatoes, and of course we're gonna need the leaf Italian style parsley. And for flavoring, we're gonna need some lemon juice and olive oil. And for spices, we're gonna need some dried mint, or if you have fresh Lebanese mint, it'll be nice. We're gonna add a little bit of basil. I like basil with my tabbouleh because it brings out the taste of the tomato, I think. And I add a little bit of oregano as well. Then I have my little bit of cinnamon, allspice, black pepper, and salt. Of course, any of these spices or herbs, if you don't like, you just eliminate them, okay? Okay, so what we do is we add the burgle to a suitable bowl. Then we add the chopped tomatoes and we mix it a little bit together. I do not, some people, they water the burgle before they add, but I don't like to do that because I like the juice of the tomato to be soaked by the burgle. Then we add the finely chopped red onions and we mix it. And then we add the amount of olive oil, and we add our portion of the lemon juice. And now we add all our spices. And we mix everything together nicely. So after I mix the burger with the tomato, the onions, and the olive oil, lemon, and the spices, I let it sit like that for about 10-15 minutes before I add the parsley. So this way, the burger will absorb all the flavoring of the tomato juice, the oil, and lemon juice. Okay? So after I have the burger soaking with the juices for about 10 minutes, now we're gonna add our finely chopped parsley. And then we mix them all together real good. So after we mix our tabbouleh pretty good, now we have to taste it and adjust the seasoning. Okay, after Joyce tasted it, it said, what does it need?
Lemon and oil.
Little lemon and little oil. Okay, so we'll adjust the seasoning before we plate it. Here we are. Our tabbouleh is ready for consumption. And as you can see here, it looks beautiful and fresh. And as you know, tabbouleh is a salad. It's the best way is to consume it when it's made. You could let it go for about 24 hours, but of course, it's not gonna look as fresh as it's made. So I prefer to eat it, immediately. Okay, guys. Okay, if you think that was helpful, give us a like and subscribe to our channel. That will help us a lot. Okay. We'll see you next time. Bye.